Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a Duet Night Abyss app not loading or stuck on loading screen on Android phone. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then launch Duet Night Abyss app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then launch the game and check. Third solution is to check for a Duet Night Abyss app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Duet Night Abyss and tap on it. And if you see any update available for this game, then update it and then you can launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear Duet Night Abyss app cache. So tap and hold Duet Night Abyss app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it, then click on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then allow the background activity for the Duet Night Abyss app. So again tap and hold Duet Night Abyss app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage, then select the first option, allow background activity, click on allow to confirm, and then you can launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now the next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN. Now you can install any VPN of your choice from Play Store, such as NordVPN, SurfVPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN. You can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location, and then launch the Duet Night Abyss app and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then launch the game and check. So by this way you can solve Duet Night Abyss app not loading or stuck on loading screen on Android. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.